Hello dear viewers and quiz lovers, welcome to the DD Quiz Time special episode. Malam yu khwaidagi chawba sana khonabagi kumhai amo oriba Tokyo Olympics 2020 ga mari leinana duration month ni purna pujarakli ba DD Quiz Time gi special episode asina akogi viewers sing amasung hagolai ba naharol sing da sana khonaba amasung Olympics ka mari leina ba hiram sing gi awareness hengat hangani habagi thajaba thamjari. Ngasi gi episode asigi pricing Manipur Olympic Association MON sponsor to birapani. Mipum khudimong na aikogi thorom asibu WhatsApp video call gi khuthangda saruk yabiyu. Hausi ngasi gi episode asigi call opo haudringai ki mangoina na aikogi thamjariba rule sing miyamgi mafamda khanghanjari. Rule number 1, caller amada sports nataga Olympics ka mari leina ba wahang ahum hangjagani. Rule number 2, direct question oigani, options pizarwi. Rule number 3, wahang amuk khumbagi matamas Rule number 3, wahang amuk khumbagi matamasi second tara tamak pizagani. Amasung rule number 4, question ahumak chumna khumbangam ba miyoy da MON sponsor toba akogi pricing pizagani. Hausi akogi thamjariba rules and regulations sing miyamgi mafamda khangan jakrabani na ngasi gi episode asi kanana call torotona saruk yabage haibadu yengminarasi. Hello, jidi quiz time phone do birakli ba songi minga leifum ga haibiyu.
तो मखा लेकाई देगी मार्टिन वायरोपम.
Okay, तो मखा लेकाई देगी मार्टिन वायरोपम. मार्टिन से उसी कहीं होना भी रे क्लास क्या काबी रे.
सारे जी क्लास 11 कारबक CC हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल.
Okay, CC हायर सेकेंडरी तो तंबी है बनी. अदो अकोई ngasi pangthok sari special episode si sports Olympics ka mari leina bani. Ado Martin ni samakti personally sana khona bagi hiram sibu khara thawai hobi bro. Okay, yamna fai. Kai sports kadi sana bi.
Is a football.
Football, okay, very good. Akogi rules sing. Okay. Okay. Martin akogi rules sing khangbi re ko. Adudi wahang lakpo haurage ready de leipiro. Songi ahan wahang lakcharani, please get ready Martin, and here comes the first question for you. What do the 5 rings of the Olympic symbol represent? Habidi akoina Olympic ki symbol da akoiba ring manga ugani ko. Ring manga sina represent the basi karibuno habani. Your time starts now.
Continent.
Continent ni mayak seng na habi upa kumdi kitang mayak seng wali ring manga ni lady continent karino represent the se. Okay, time's up. Akoina pizza matam loi kre but somna habi rei ba answer dugi akoina chumena logzare akoi ring sing sina represent the basi akoi continent sing siniko. Aduga ring manga ni na 5 continents represent tobani songi wahang sigi pakum chummi ani suba wahang lakchage ani suba wahang si handaki nataba mamangi Olympics sabadi 2016 gi Brazil gi Rio Olympics ta Manipur dagi sanaroi kaya India gi mahut sinduna saruk yakhebage haibani. How many athletes from Manipur had taken part in the Rio Olympic Games 2016? Your time starts now. 4. Sway general over yarabra. Okay, very sorry. Time's up. Matam loikre. Ekoina pizza basi 10 seconds. Ni madugi manungda somna 4 habida pani, but unfortunately 4 habasi ashen ba answer nate. Rio Olympic Games saruk yaki basi Manipur dagi athlete taruk saruk yaki ko. So the correct answer should be 6. Ahum suba wahang lakchage Martin. Ahum suba wahang si. Where is the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee located? Habadi International Olympic Committee hariba body isigi headquarters si karilamgi kari country da karilam da lai habani. Your time starts now. International Olympic Committee gi headquarters si karilam da lai. Berlin. Okay, time's up. Akoina pizza matam niye songi attempt si Berlin haibani, but very sadly again handak su songi pakum si chumde. The correct answer should be Switzerland. Switzerland gi lawsan hariba mafam sida International Olympic Committee gi headquarter lai ko. Matung da khangjin bi horo Martin. Martin kari phawbi ngasi gi performance si
सारे जे आना जो खंग मने दो खरा जो पाखत चाहिँ को इसादा.
Okay.
अदो ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
Okay, saruk yabi basi ni madu oi basi sang na haira bada koi Olympics ta jo hai nei ko. It's not about winning, it's about participation na. Zama nei khoi DD quiz time Olympic ko mari leina ba thoram si da su winner oi bagi wang akta na ta na som saruk yabi du na. Mapung phan bi ba song gi spirit po ko na thagat chari. Thank you for calling DD quiz time. Hello, DD quiz time da phone do birakli ba song gi ming kare phang ga hai bi.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯕꯝ ꯌꯣꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯐꯝꯅ ꯍꯤꯌꯥꯡꯂꯝ ꯊꯦꯔꯥꯕꯤꯁꯔ
Okay, Hiyanglom Therapy Sector gi Ilangom Yohen bai bi bani. Yohen basi hoji kari school la class kya ka biri.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯣꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 9 ꯀꯥꯖꯔꯤ
Polestar School class 9 gi chhatra ne habani. Anyway, akhoi gi ngasi gi thoram asi gi special episode asi gi rules sing khangbi re ko.
ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯔ
Okay, rules khangam ni hoji thinta ba tawdana wahang lak pa hojrage. Ready dele bi ro ko Yohen ba. And here comes the first question for you, Yohen ba, and the question is, what is the mascot of the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Hoji pangthok liba pangthok kado riba Tokyo Olympics 2020 ke mascot si kari kawi habani. Your time starts now.
ꯖꯄꯥꯟ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝ
Mayak cheng na habi you.
ꯖꯄꯥꯟ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯗꯤꯌꯝ
Okay, time's up. So na habi si venue gumba oina habi rak le ko habadi Japan National Stadium na habi rak pani songe attempt but madu la le aina hangje khibi si mascot to gi maming kari ko ge habani, and the correct answer should be Mirai Towa. Let me repeat again. The mascot of Tokyo Olympics 2020 is Mirai Towa. Khambiro ko Yohen ba. Ani subo wahang lak chage. Ani subo wahang si akoina modern Olympics haraga khangna ribo Olympics si karam bachahi de ihana na pangthok hige habani. In which year was the first modern Olympics held? Your time starts now.
1896ꯗ ꯑꯦꯊꯦꯟꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯊꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏ
Okay, very well done this time. Ani subo wahangi pakhum chumna pakhum bibi le chummi. Akoina modern Olympics ki ahan ba akoi gi pangthok pa horakhi bisi 1896 the Greece tani songi pakhum chummi. So the correct answer is 1896. Ahum subo wahang lak sigi muna tabiyu. Who is the only individual winner of gold medal from India in the Olympics history? Hoji fawda Olympics ki lai ba khoi gi lambi sida haiba tare. Hoji fawda India gi individual gold winner amakhak lai khi ko mahagadu kanano haibani. Your time starts now.
ꯁꯔ ꯈꯪꯖꯗꯦ ꯁꯔ
Khangdreba ko. The correct answer should be Avinav Bindra. Ko 2008 ke Beijing Olympics ta mahak na phangkiba gold medal aduna ngasi fawda India gi wena di individual event individual athlete amana gold medal phangasi mahak ta ngairi. So the correct answer should be Avinav Bindra. Anyway, you hand bangasi ki performance kari fawbi ge.
ꯁꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯈꯤ
Kan hona biu ngasi call to birak saruk yabi ba thagat ba phungtok chari. Thank you. Didi quiz time phone to birak liba songi mingle phang ga habi you.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯐꯥꯐꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯅꯥꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 6 ꯇꯩꯅꯤ
Thamna Popi ward number 6 tagi minga amukta ka mayak siyang na habi you tapna.
ꯖꯦꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ
Okay, Jetison Khwairakpam. Chumle ko Jetison.
ꯃꯥꯅꯦ
Jetison se hoji kari school la class kya kabiri?
ꯑꯩ ꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 5
Class 5 Bisnupur Public School la tambi habani. Anyway, Jetison akhoi gi rules sing khangbi re ko.
ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯔ
Kedri wahang lakwa horage sana khona ba mari lena ba wahang tabak ni ngasi laktoi se ready dalai biro. Here comes your first question, and the question is, who was the first Olympian from Manipur? Akhoi gi state Manipur gi han han na Olympic yaw khiba Olympian oi khiba miyo yodu kanano haibani. Your time starts now.
ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯁꯔ
Somna past over there, sorry hai Manipur dagi ihan han Olympian oi khiba miyo yodudi P Nilakamal Singh. Amukta ga harke ko. The correct answer should be P Nilakamal Singh. Anisuba wahang lakchage anisuba wahang si akhoi gi handaki Manipur dagi miyo mangana Tokyo Olympics hanaroi mangana Tokyo Olympics ta yawgadori. Makhoi gi manungda Digmabam Susila su amani ko. Susila na yawgadori ba sports event asi karidano haibani. Haibadi in which discipline Ligmabam Susila from Manipur is going to compete at the Tokyo Olympics. Your time starts now.
judo ko.
judo okay soi trainer lo ya ra jettison
Sai hai.
okay very well done songi ani subo wahangi pakum chumna pakum pipi de yes akhoi gi sanaroi lingma bam susilana Tokyo Olympics ta saruk ya gadori ba compete to gadori ba event asi judo ni the correct answer is judo ahum subo wahang lak sake ahum subo wahang see where will be the next summer Olympics held habdi hojik 2020 21 na pangthok liba 2020 gi Olympics Tokyo Olympics Tokyo da pangthok le mathang gi Olympics si kari lamda pangthok kani habdi 2024 gi Olympics si kari country kari lamda pangthok kani habdi your time starts now
China.
China okay very sorry chum handak ti ko jettison songi pakum si chumdre aseng ba pakum si France ki Paris oigdabani ko 2024 gi Olympics si France ki capital Paris ta pangthokani so the correct answer should be Paris France anyway ngasi ki thoram masida call to biraktu na saruk yabi ba jettison bo hanana thagat chari hello and welcome to Didi quiz time phone to birakli ba songi mingalai from ga habi
Aiming Arun Kumar Oina, ado lemo ko kung away kay nambol rin.
okay lemo pokpam nambol lemo pokpam dagi Arun Kumar si hujik keke hona biri
Ay si Master Lore, yung sa maraming kisanto eh.
okay yamna phaba poni aduga akhoi gi ngasi gi special episode asigi theme Olympics oi sports oi ko adu Arun Kumar isamakti sana khona bagi hiram sire kyam thawa yawi isamak involve to bi bra kari kari sana budi pami habido haibi
Sana kasi angang mo yung si Plastin, kaya mga kaya cricket mo sa ball badminton.
Okay.
Ado mo nga sana, ado mo sa mga yung sana siya.
okay adu somna master to bi se kari background to bi pan
Ay life science zoology.
okay zoology life science ta anyway akhoi gi rule sing khangbi re ko Arun Kumar
Ang
ready delay biro Arun Kumar wahang lak serage and here comes the first question for you Arun Kumar and the question is what is the Olympic motto prithvi ki kari ki chawba sana khona ki kumai oribo Olympic ki motto si kari motto oi haibu haibi your time starts now
faster, stronger, higher.
okay faster stronger higher but adumak nadi akoi times up ki ore adu khana hamjari ba motto se koi na mokoi ki English translation nataba somna habi ba faster stronger higher habi na madugi English translation e madugi arth duni but ekoi na motto haire gati hojiki Citius Altius Fortius se oige dabani ko so the correct answer should be Citius Altius Fortius khangbi re ko Arun Kumar
Okay.
ani suba wahang lak chege ani suba wahang si how many athletes from Manipur are going to participate in the Tokyo Olympics 2020 habidi pangthokado riba Tokyo Olympics 2020 the Manipur dagi punna sanaroi kaya saruk yabiri habini your time starts now
5.
5 okay very well done ani suba wahang gi pakum chumna pakum bibire chumi Manipur dagi koi sanaroi mangana handagi Tokyo Olympics da saruk yabi gadori ahum suba wahang lak chege again related to the Manipur Olympians ko ekoi gi lingmabam susilana handaki Tokyo Olympics da judo event da saruk yagadori hangjari ba wahang di mahang na saruk yagadori bi event wet category si karam wet category gi event no habani your time starts now
With 48 kg.
48 kg soi train lo we are bro
Oh yeah.
okay times are very well done again Arun Kumar songya ahum subagi pakum su chumna bibi de yes ekoi gi judo ka haizabatai susilana saruk yagadori bi event si 48 kg gi event ani ko so the correct answer is 48 kg yamna fazaba performance would be but first question da kitang confusion natraga kitang slightly chungba bada pakum si achungba direct answer du muni bibi khidre performance da kari phawi Arun Kumar
Oh ay nga sa iyo kung nga ba ako call ang material para away.
adu matung da zo ninghana ba tawdra left na koi program sibu saruk call to birak tuna saruk yabi thank you for calling Didi quiz time hello Didi quiz time phone to birak li ba songi mingalai from ga haibi
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯡꯖꯤꯡ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯩꯗꯒꯤ
wangjing wangkhai dagi taibangan ba se koi yana regular ba caller ni taibangan ba nungai biri bra kam dori
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯁꯥꯔ
Okay, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯉꯥꯟꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯥꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯒ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯤꯁꯤ
ꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯌꯥꯂꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜꯄꯥꯠ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 1ꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 8 ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯤ
Class 8. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ 에피ꯁꯣꯗ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯉꯥꯟꯕꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ?
ꯂꯩꯖꯩꯌꯦ ꯁꯥꯔ
Okay. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯉꯥꯟꯕ?
ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯔ
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯃꯉꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯉꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯇꯃꯛ ꯍꯪꯒꯅꯤꯕꯀꯣ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯔ
Okay, yare adudi ready da lebiro wahang lakwa hokjarake. And here comes the first question for you. In which year did Manipur organize the 5th National Games? Habidi karamba chahida aikogi Manipur na National Games manga suba National Games se akoina host togi ko akoi Manipur da pangthoki karamba chahida pangthoki ge habani your time starts now. Okay, time's up.
1924
Okay. Time's up. Ti ore but somna happy reido happy ro ta jage. Kari have no.
1999
Anyway, somna happy ro ko 1999 have ni but somna ko gi matam lore kan pi bi ro ko pa khumoi bana ko na ma ju chumi ne logja bangam dre. Ani se bawang lake. Ani se bawang si what does the Olympic motto Citius Altius Fortius mean? Happy ko Olympic ki motto si ko na Citius Altius Fortius hariba wahi ahum sina oi ko. Wahi ahum sigi artha si wahan thok si kaino haibani meaning si kaino haibani your time starts now.
faster higher stronger
Okay, very well done. Ani suba wahang ki pakum chumna pakum bibide chumi Olympic motto Citius Altius Fortius na min tori basi faster higher stronger haibani somna haibidi ba adumakni so your answer is correct. Ahum suba wahang laksege ahum suba wahang si in which sports discipline did Manipur's first Olympian Nilkamal take part in the Olympics? Haibidi Manipur gi akogi history da ahan bo Olympian oiriba Olympics da ahan saruk yakiba sanaroi P Nilkamal si karamba masana gi karamba games ki karamba sports discipline ki sanaroi no haibani kari discipline na saruk yaki ke haibani your time starts now.
hockey
Okay, time's up. Hai ke tobaga song ki answer si haise lai aduna chi law na nangena logjarage akhoi na song ki answer si attempt si hockey haibani chumra yang si yes your answer hockey is correct. Akhoi first Olympian Nilkamal na saruk yaki basi hockey gi event ani. Ado ngasi ki performance kari phawbi ge ahum da ni chumba male.
khitang nuaita college aina ahan ba hajar do chumdi chumbaga matam na ngautabdo
Maduni akhoi na quiz sai ba competition ki maro ba purpose so adu di akhoi da isagi time limit then tension pressure pi na pangthok competition jini ko sigi nuai ba sin akhoi na quizzing hai si but hoi kan hona biu ning han ba to bi kanu adu ga matung da lepta na call to bi tu na akhoi ki program asibu mapung bhandi thank you Didi quiz time ne phone to bi rakle ba song gi mengal phone ba hai biu
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ PS Nobert Kawi Levamna Bamuleka Mahabli Road.
Pamula kai Mahabali ro tage ming to mek sel na mukta ga hai biu
PS Nobert.
PH Nobert ko Nobert cha uje kari hona biri kari school da class kya ka biri
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 9 ꯀꯥꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯅ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯖꯣꯁꯦꯐ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯇꯝ
St. Joseph School da class 9 ka biri hai bani anyway akogi Nobert se akogi rules sing khangbi de ko adudi wahang la okay wahang la ko hokjarage ready da lebiro and here comes the first question for you Nobert and the question is what is the motto of the Tokyo Olympics 2020 Tokyo Olympics 2020 ki motto si karino hai bani your time starts now Okay, time's up. Akoy na pizza matam 10 seconds loikre. Akoy na hangjabasi Tokyo Olympics ki motto si karino hai bani and the correct answer should be united by emotion. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯗ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯀꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯣꯂꯤꯝꯄꯤꯛꯁ 2020ꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯇꯣꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯁꯤ Who was the dignitary to declare 2012 London Olympics open? हाबदी लंदन ओलंपिक्स 2012 के ओलंपिक्स लंदन द पांगथोखी को मसिगी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी गी अखोगी ओलंपिक इवेंट से हौरे हने लखोखी बे मियोय दु करम मियोय नो ओगे हाबनी who declared 2012 London Olympics open. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Ako second tara pizza bani. Masigi manung na pakum pibang ambidre. Aseng mo pakum si 2012 London Olympics si Queen Elizabeth II. Amuka na haizage Queen Elizabeth II na open toki. Ahum subo wahang silak sage monatabiyo. Which athlete has won the maximum number of individual gold medals at a single Olympics? Habidi Olympics sing asi fawagi history da akhoi gold medal akhoi yamna masing akhoi dagi yamna lawkhiba individual athlete adu kanano habini. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Very sorry again. Hadak su akhoi episode 10 seconds loikre. The correct answer should be Michael Phelps. USA ki Michael Phelps hari ba athlete achina huji for the maximum number of individual gold medal lobby. Anyway, no but thank you for calling DD Quiz Time. Phone to birak tunu sarugi abi ba thagat chari. DD Quiz Time na phone to birak ko songi mingal ifam ba habiyo.
I mean, Harrison Sina, like from the Yunakuno Mayaka.
Yunam khono me lekai digi Harrison Sinam habi bani. Harrison jawji kai ke hona biri.
I class 8 Tamjari,
Kari school la kabi ke class 8 se.
but I English on Andra.
Okay, Brighter English Academy oinam na class 8 tambiri habani. Akhoi ki rules sing khambira bra Harrison.
Under
Aduri wahang lak lage ko. Ready dale biro. And here comes the first question for you, Harrison. Songi ahamba wahang si in which discipline will Sanglakpam Nilakanta take part at the Tokyo Olympics? Habidi Manipur ki saruk yagadori ba Sanglakpam Nilakanta na Tokyo Olympics ta saruk yagadori ba event si karamba event no habani karamba games sports discipline no habani. Your time starts now.
Hockey.
Okay, time's up. Hockey heavy race on the chumi. So no hockey have paguli na kogi matam sulo shale time's up ore ko. But songi answer to chumbra check toksi. Yes, your answer is found to be correct. Songi answer si chumi. Akoi nilakanta na saruk yagadori be event si men's hockey dani ko. Ano songi answer hockey se chumme. Ani se bo hang lak chage monatabi yu. Ani se bo hang si who will be the flag bearer of the Indian contingent at the opening ceremony of Tokyo Olympics 2020? Habiri July ki kulum doida hogadori ba Tokyo Olympics ki opening ceremony da India ki contingent ki India ki firal paidana chatke dori ba players singdu kana kana no habini. Your time starts now.
Mary Kom. Mary Kom.
Okay, so it real away arabra.
MC Mary Kom.
Okay, time's up. Songi answer si Mary Kom habini. But aina hangjagi pa si opening ceremony da flag paige da miyo idu kana kana no so hai ki ko. Maram de khoi miyo amadagi hebagi ni. Aduna songi answer si Mary Kom bri chumme but mapung phaba answer di oidre. Ekoi ki Mary Kom ga nupa gi men's hockey gi captain oriba Manpreet Singh na India gi firal paiduna.
Sir, Manpreet
Okay.
Man.
Matu akoina tazabada akoina tahogre hai de akoina tazagi bada 10 seconds ki yorom daisida Mary Kom de habi somna ko. Mary Kom haiba ma MC Mary Kom haiba ma anirak mayek seng haibi ki madu chumi tangkhai ma chumi haibani miyoi ani na paige dabani. The correct answer should be Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh. Yani ko Harrison. So aduna songi ani suba wahang si akoina answer chum de na logzare. Ahum suba wahang lak chake. Ahum suba wahang si who is known as the father of modern Olympics? Father of modern Olympics haraga kanabu khangna bage haibani. Your time starts now.
Peridicovatin.
Some the answer peridicovatin is very correct. Your answer is correct. Chumi very well done Harrison ko. Ahum subagi wahang gi paukom chuna paukom bibi dai. Peridicovatin is known as the father of modern Olympics. Anyway, ngasi ki performance ita kari faubi ke Harrison.
Sir.
Oh, taze happy.
Ama second subu ani subu do.
Hoy happy you.
Second subu ani subu. Ado main prick happy. MC ni konga main prick happy.
Okay, but aina as a quiz master mo ina taza ho bodai gi knowledge ta gi awareness ta ani subagi to di hoy ahan magi paukhum chumna paukhum pibi ahum subagi paukhum sup chumna paukhum pibi ko yam fazaba performance ni ani subagi dum di aina khangzaba da quiz master mo ina gi decision da valid ina lobja drai maram di somna pibi da iba answer si meri kom dang oi akoina khangzaba da 10 seconds ki mamang da matung tarak pada di aina answer hai kre du manprit ko na hapuk padu budi som da ko na khang po iram basu yai but quiz master mo ina gi decision da ani subagi to di valid ina log dress hawya de ko Harrison.
Sir, main prick di hai.
Okay, adu ko akoina khangzaba da ai gi decision na final oi birasi ai gi decision na madu akoina valid ina logja dre chume na logja dre. Anyway, for call to rakuna ko gi program asibu saruk ya biba thaga pa phone chari. Hello and welcome to DD Quiz Time. Phone to birakli ba songi mingale phone ba happy you. Mayak sing na happy you ming do. KH Wahid. Wahid se kadai degi oi bira bano. Chekon degi. Wahid chok se kari school la class kya kabiri. Brighter Academy da class 9 kabiri habani. Wahid akhoi gi rule sing khangbira bra. Ngasi je akhona wahang amagi answer to nabagi matam si 10 seconds pi gani. Loina na wahang ahum lakani ko. Yeah, ready dele biro wahang lakwa husarake. And here comes the first question for you, Wahid, and the question is, what are the 5 colors of the 5 rings of the Olympic? Olympic ki symbol se koine ring manga oi ko. Ring manga sigi machu se kari kari machu no habani. What are the colors of the 5 rings of the Olympic? Your time starts now.
Red, black, blue, green and yellow.
Okay, very well done. Chumi ahan ba wahang ki paukhum chumna pikhum paukhum bibi dei. Chumi Olympic ki ring manga sigi machu si red, black, green, yellow, blue ni ko. Ani sibo wahang lak chage. Ani sibo wahang si which Tokyo Olympics, how many times Mary Kom is going to participate in the Olympic event? Habiti akogi Tokyo Olympics ta saruk yagado ba si tharaga Mary Kom na Olympic masing kaya ta saruk yar bagi habani. Your time starts now.
Nine times.
9 times. Okay, so the answer is 9 times habani, but very sorry, that is not the correct answer. The correct answer should be 2 times. Ani da tangai ko handaki Tokyo Olympics tharaga ahan badana mahang na bronze medal logi ba London Olympics mathang na handaki se ko. Ahum subo wahang lak sege. Ahum subo wahang si at which place is the Olympic flame lit before the start of the Olympic Games every 4 years? Every say mari khudingi kanaga pangthok lebo Olympic Games se ki hauram dai khudingi mokhoi gi torch ki mai asen basi khoi gi mafam amadagi lawi Greece ki mafam amadagi ai clue ju pizara ke ko hari ba mafam si kari ko wi habani. Your time starts now. Olympia hana accurate ane accurate oine hana exact ono khombirau. Okay, time's up. So the answer is Olympia habani, but that is not the correct answer. Aseng ba ko khomsi Temple of Hera oi gadam ni ko. Greece ki Temple of Hera hari ba seng la ba mafam sidagi akoi torch ki maisi chahi mari khudingi chukhatli. Anyway, ngasi ki performance da kari faubi ge Wahid. Nungai ba fawi akoi mathang ki special episode second episode su laizari ko. Madu su call to rokto na mapung phahan diu. Thank you for calling DD Quiz Time. Hello and welcome to DD Quiz Time. Phone to birangli ba songi mingale phone ga habiyu.
Tam dipak marang atrawal bigi.
Moirang ngang khalawai dagi loitam Deepak habani. Deepak se ogse kai hona biri kai school class kya kabiri.
Sa Diligent Public School marang the class 9 damjari.
Okay, class 9 gi mahiri na habi bani. Ai khoi gi rule sing khangbire ko Deepak.
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯦ
ꯈꯪꯂꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯤꯟꯊꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯒꯦ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯦꯂꯔꯠ ꯃꯣꯗꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯣ and here comes the first question for you Deepak and the question is who is the Olympian from Manipur to have participated consecutively in 3 Olympics haibadi Manipur dagi Olympian amana ngasi fawdo Olympic masing akhadagi yamna yawba haibadi Olympic event ahum da yawki ko Olympic edition ahum da yawki mahak adu kanano haibani your time starts now
Saikhom Mirabai Chanu
Saikhom Mirabai Chanu somgi attempt si Saikhom Mirabai Chanu haibani but that is not a correct answer hojik fawda Olympic edition ahum lak yawduna khwaidagi masing yamna yawba ngamlibi akhoi athlete si Laisram Bombela Devi archery gi Bombela se oigedabani ko so the correct answer is L Bombela ani se bawa hang lak chege ani se bawa hang si somne Mirabai chu pan bikre Mirabai ga mari leina bawa hang ama lak chege Mirabai na Tokyo Olympics ta saruk yagadori ba weight lifting gi event se karamba category da haibani karamba weight category da Mirabai na Tokyo Olympics ta compete tawani your time starts now
51 kg
mayek sang na panbiu
51 kg
somgi attempt si 51 haibani but that is not the correct answer very unfortunately the correct answer si 49 kg gi event to oigedabani ko 51 natte the correct answer should be 49 kg ahum suba wahang lakchage ahum suba wahang si in which year did women participate for the first time in modern Olympics akogi modern Olympic games si Greece ta 1896 tagi hawe na koina longnai hauki ko karamba Olympics tagi nupi singna saruk yaba yo nupi players singna saruk yaba hauki bagi haibani your time starts now 1900 okay very well done chumi 1900 China chumdi chuma bani ko karamba lam da pangthoki panbibra ngambra Paris okay very accurate very well kahani fazana yama detail oiba answer ma bibi da iko chumi akogi nupi athlete sing nupi players sing na Olympic ki event yago hoki basi 1900 ki Paris Olympics tani anyway ngasi ki performance da kari fawbi Deepak
Room no I found it as a special so the Yasser Wall Kangal.
akogi sobna call to birok to na mapung phan bi ba thagat chari special episode asi ani subi episode chu laizari madusu call to birok to na mapung phan biu thank you for calling Didi Quiz Time hello and welcome to Didi Quiz Time phone to birok li ba songi mingale from ga habiu
Ayu ming natras lang bam luwalay from na kasama matunera.
Kasampan mutum lerek tagi natras elangom haibani natras ya uji kake hona biri class kya kabi re kare school to biri
Class 9 kare duga Hyderabad St. Peter datam.
Hyderabad St. Peter da ado hojik sa Hyderabad to biri iro natraga haibadi lockdown sina maram oraga Imphal da yumda leibira
Yumda lay online class unta.
online class to ero ado natras sana khona bado gadi interest amna leibra kumai to ge kai sports kadi pamge
Yumda dum badminton sanay.
okay amna phai hawal lei bana haro lamana ko koi gi sports ta interest leibra si amna thagat ningai oi ba du gum habit amani anyway akhoi gi rules khange ko wahang la age ko okay ready the leibilo natras and here comes the first question for you and the question is who is the founder president of Manipur Olympic Association haibadi Manipur Olympic Association MOA haiba body sigi founding president habitai founder president si kanano haibani kana okhibage haibani your time starts now
RK Mudiyajit Singh.
okay very well done songi kitang maming lonthrai gi I mean pronunciation gi wani but somna habi dai do bab ta jare chummi the correct answer is RK Madhuryajit Singh haibani ko chumme aduna songi attempt songi answer di chumme hane logjarage okay nataras ani subo wahang laksarage munatabiu and your second question is which language other than the English is the official language of International Olympic Committee haibadi International Olympic Committee gi official language si English su orini English nataba atopa lol ma su oi bako atopa lol kari lol no haibani your time starts now
French.
make sense habiu French okay very well done songi attempt French si achumba paukhumni so the correct answer is French very well done Okay, ahum suba wahang lakcharage hauju fawda performance fazari ani chumna pikre ahum suba siga chumlaga di somje akoi gi didi quiz time gi special episode asigi winner haibadu oidoini munna wakhal akoi gi phajana thadaraga pakhum bibira u. And here comes the final question for you, Nataras, and the question is: Olympic Games were held in ancient Greece in honor of which Greek god? Habadi Olympic Games si akoi ancient Greece ta mamangai thaina gi Greece ta karamba ishor gi honor da pangthokpa thoram no haibani karamba lai haibatare karamba god ki honor da pangthokpa no haibani. Your time starts now.
Zeus.
Mayek seng nai biyo.
Zeus.
Zeus asi yang chumi, correct answer ni yes, akoi Olympic Games si Greek god Zeus ki honor da pangthokpa ni, and that makes you the winner of Didi Quiz Time special episode. Congratulations, Nataras.
Thank you.
Didi Quiz Time ki special episode asigi winner oibire wahang ahumbak chumna akhum yamna phajana bibida I wakhal la kari fawi Nataras.
Adum nungai.
Winner mo oirabani adum nungai bro natraga yamna nungai bro.
Yam nungai.
Yam nungai ba ko. Okay, akhoi na matam ma haijarake prize lobo lapiyu Manipur Olympic Association na sponsor tawduna adongi prize ngai duna akhoi gi leijaramge. Thank you for calling Didi Quiz Time. Ngasi gi oinadi Tokyo Olympics 2020 ga mari leinana sandokchari ba Didi Quiz Time gi special episode asi loisana bagi tanja du yorokle. Ngasi gi episode asi da call to biraktura saru ya bigi basing loinana winner obike ba singu thaga pa phongdokchari. Kawiraganu akhoi gi WhatsApp number 9366721961 da WhatsApp video call tawrutuna akhoi gi special episode asi gi ani sube episode su meham na mapung phahan bi. Till then, keep brushing up your GK and keep watching Didi Quiz Time.